My name is Alan McNeil. I'm lead AC technician for Brazosport Independent School District. We have flow tech in all 18 campuses that have the cooling tower systems, chilled water systems. Chemicals did not seem to perform as well as they should. We had a lot of scale on our chiller bundles. Our technicians had a hard time cleaning the scales on the chillers once a year, and then we had to go to twice a year because the chemicals just couldn't keep up with it. We were just dumping the chemicals just down the drain on a constantly daily basis. Now that we have flow tech, you don't have that problem with the chemicals moving around. You don't have the problem with whether it's going to burn you or if it's going to bother your skin or if you have to glove up to work on the cooling towers. And we could see the chemical-free process just start cleaning up the system immediately. We could see it in the cooling tower itself. We could see it in the water. We could see it in the heat exchanger. The pressures. Prior to that, we had to clean the heat exchanger at least 3 times a year. After that, we didn't have to clean it at all. The pressures of the heat exchanger was in the right amount within the range. That made a believer out of us. It's just so much better because the water is clear, the water is clean, just more environmentally friendly to be chemical free than it was before. If another school district contacts us, we're more than willing to tell them, our impression of flow tech and how it has changed our maintenance department and how it has improved our maintenance department. I'm all for flow tech right now. Like I said, it's done everything it told us it was going to do, and everything that they promised, is what's being delivered. We're not looking for any glory or anything. We're just trying to make our job easier and less stressful.